In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to correctly pay your YouTube TV bill. So open up a web browser and then go to tv.youtube.com or launch the YouTube TV app on your device. Then sign into your YouTube TV account if you haven't already. Click on the profile picture in the top right hand corner of the screen and then select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings menu, click on billing on the left side of the screen. Then under the YouTube TV section, you'll see your current payment method and subscription details. If you need to update your payment method, click on update next to payment method. You may be asked to verify your identity through a two-step verification authentication process. Once verified, you'll be taken to the YouTube TV subscription page. In the how you pay section, click on change payment method. Select an existing payment method from the drop-down menu or add a new credit/debit card. If adding a new card, enter the required information and then click submit. Your payment method will be updated and YouTube TV will automatically charge this method at the start of each billing cycle. If you encounter any issues or need immediate assistance, you can contact YouTube TV support at 833-576-4132. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.